Hello everyone. So today we talk about the gamma distribution. And then we will write the probability density function of gamma distribution and then find the expectation of x, the mean and the variance of the random variable that belongs to the gamma distribution. So let's start with, suppose x is gamma with alpha and beta, two parameters here. So we can write f of x alpha beta probability density function of x as beta is alpha divided by gamma of alpha, x is alpha minus 1 e to minus x beta, where x is greater than 0. Now, in order to find e of x, expectation of x, we need to use the mathematical expectation, that will be 0 to infinity x f of x dx, and that equal to 0 to infinity, integral from 0 to infinity x times beta to alpha, gamma is alpha, x is alpha minus 1 e to minus x beta dx, and that equal beta to alpha, gamma to alpha, and then 0 to infinity x alpha plus 1 minus 1 e to minus x beta dx. And as we know, this integral equal to gamma of alpha plus 1 beta to the power alpha plus 1. So expectation of x equal beta to the alpha, gamma to the gamma of alpha, and then gamma of alpha plus 1 beta to alpha plus 1. And then we can simplify this more. Beta to the alpha, gamma of alpha, then gamma of alpha plus 1, we can write it as alpha gamma of alpha, and then beta to the power alpha, and then beta to the power 1. Now we can gamma of alpha goes with gamma of alpha, beta with alpha, beta to the alpha, then that equal alpha divided by beta. So that is the expectation of x. Now, in order to find the variance of x, we need to find first expectation of x squared. So expectation of x squared, the same thing, 0 to infinity x squared f of x dx, and that equal 0 to infinity x squared beta to the alpha, gamma of alpha, x is alpha minus 1, and then e to minus x beta dx. Now we can take beta to the alpha and the gamma of alpha outside the integral, and 0 to infinity x, we have x squared here, we have alpha here minus 1, so we can write that as alpha plus 2 minus 1 e to minus x beta dx, and that integral again equal to gamma of alpha plus 2 beta to the power alpha plus 2. Then e of x squared equal to beta to the alpha, gamma of alpha, then gamma of alpha plus 2 beta to the power alpha plus 2, and then we can simplify that more, beta to the alpha, gamma of alpha, then in here we have alpha plus 1 times alpha times gamma of alpha, and then divided by beta to the power alpha, and then beta squared. So beta with alpha to the power alpha goes with that one, and that goes with that, Then we've got alpha plus 1 divided by beta squared, and that one is expectation of x squared. Now the variance of x equal to expectation of x squared minus expectation of x all squared. Now expectation of x squared is alpha plus 1 divided by beta squared minus alpha divided by beta all squared. Now we can alpha squared times this and that times this, so alpha squared plus alpha divided by beta squared minus alpha squared divided by beta squared, which is equal to alpha squared plus alpha minus alpha squared divided by beta squared. So minus alpha squared with alpha squared, that's 0. Then we left with variance of x equal alpha over beta squared. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.